Alright. Just left the Roush Gap shelter. It was okay. I could have gone farther yesterday. I only did like 18. And that was because I expected rain to be coming in, like right when I got there. But no, the rain is coming in now as I start my hike the next day. So you could call my situation very unlucky, or you could call it very lucky, because the next shelter over you could deliver pizzas to, which I had no idea, or else I would have gone there yesterday. But nonetheless, this is the situation. Now we have to adapt. The village of Roush Gap stood here from 1828 to 1910. Peak population of 1,000 plus people. Industries were coal mining and railroad equipment repair. The mines were not productive, and the railroad moved the operations in 1872. Damn, why weren't y'all motherfuckers productive? Come on now. Beautiful day. I only got 20 seconds left for filming though. Gotta make some room. Just crossed the motherfucking water source. Shout out to three more seconds of footage and Swatara Bridge. Welcome to Rock, Slovenia. Welcome to Rock, Slovenia. You can't make this shit. You can't make this shit. You can't make. Well, there's the storm I'm dealing with and a semi view, but yeah, we're basically to the 501 shelter, which is apparently a really nice shelter. It has a caretaker right next to the shelter, and you can order food. So I think I'm gonna order food and then make my decision if I'm gonna go further or not. Yep. Well, I'm walking to the 501 shelter. There's just this fucking crashed car right here, or smashed car. It looks like just the front hood's smashed in. It is bizarre. But we're here. We're gonna rest and hopefully get food. 501 shelter. It's pretty cool. Gonna get going for the day. Had some leftover pizza for breakfast and calzone. Not the most appetizing thing, but you know, some carbs. So now I'm gonna take off for the day, and I'm planning to do like fucking 30 miles if I can. Although I don't know how I'm gonna feel after that drop off into Port Clinton, but we're gonna see what happens. A lot of rocks. I mean, a lot of rocks. But the view and the rocks. The view and the rocks. Whoa. Well, I gotta say, the views compared to yesterday are tremendous. You can even still see the moon a bit up there. It's pretty cool. And there we go. Another fucking marker. 1,200 miles. That's crazy. Woo! So 1755. Set of Fort Dietrich Snyder, a lookout post to warn of the approach of enemies in the French and Indian War. Wow. That's fucking crazy. I'm here right now where that shit happened. Fuck. Today is such a way better day for hiking. Gotta appreciate these days. That's why I'm doing such a large day today, because I've been doing shorter days when it was raining just because it's so hard. But days like today, whew, just gotta keep going. Alright, so I'm descending right now in Port Clinton. Fucking steep ass decline. Look at this shit. I've been doing this for like about a mile. But holy fuck. I'm glad I'm not going up this. Damn. And welcome to Port Clinton. Ha 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 ha. Alright, so heading out of Port Clinton now. I'm gonna go to the shelter that's like 4 miles away, but it's like straight uphill, but no worries. Nothing I'm not used to. But I got a bunch of candy to hold me over for the night because I'm kind of low on food. So, yeah.